Hello, my name's Gavin Rickers, and I'm here to talk about the James Webb Space Telescope for my presentation. So I'll start with a little bit of an overview. It was launched on Christmas of 2021. It took 30 days to travel 1 million miles to its destination L2, which is, where it's going to be for next couple decades, it seems like. And this telescope is overall an upgrade from the Hubble Space Telescope, which we have been using for a couple decades now, and I'll explain why it's better. The lightweight optics, it's made of a metal called beryllium, which is lightweight and strong, which was helpful for liftoff and to help it maintain its shape when out in space. Deployable sun shield helps to keep the telescope cold because of the infrared camera inside the telescope. To measure heat, you're gonna have to keep the entire telescope extremely cold, and it's kind of crazy. Folding segmented mirrors. These mirrors, they are helped to reflect light, and the folding element of those mirrors helped it fit into the rocket for liftoff. Another innovation of it is the improved detectors. What these do, they detect to record feeble light from faraway galaxies, stars, and planets, and they're just improved from the Hubble Space Telescope, so you can see further and light that wasn't as easily traced from the old telescope. And cryogenic actuators and mirror control. The mirrors reflect the sun's light, and the cryogenic actuators help keep the telescope at negative 220 degrees Celsius. That's how cold it has to be for to record infrared light and stuff like that. And the micro shutters were another innovation that helped keep the telescope focused on many things during one observation, and they were specifically designed for this telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope didn't even have these, so you can get much better pictures with this new telescope, which I will show you right now. Here's the Carina Nebula. NASA released a couple images from some of the first takes. We got Stephen's Quintet, one of those, like 5 little galaxies there. It's pretty cool. And the Southern Ring Nebula, which I think is the coolest one. Like, look at that picture on the left. That looks crazy. But you may be asking, what is the end goal for the James Webb Space Telescope? And they have 4 main objectives: to track the first light in the universe, find the assembly of galaxies in the early universe, track the birth of stars, and track the birth of planets from when the universe was just getting started, when it was a rookie. They're gonna use the telescope to work together with the Hubble Space Telescope, because the Hubble Space Telescope is still in good shape after all these years. It's going to have a minimum life expectancy of 20 years, which they thought the minimum life expectancy was supposed to be 10, but because of the fuel and how good the launch was, it was going to over double that. So we'll be seeing a lot from this telescope over the years, and they plan to continuously release images taken over the years, and we're just going to find out way more about space than we already do. So that can only be a good thing. And here's my works cited, and thank you.